phenomenon of secularism and its understanding, Part 6. The history of the origin and development of secularism. In the previous discussion, we mentioned that the first phase of the emergence of secularism, and its core formation, took place during the Middle Ages and the Renaissance era, which marked Europe's scientific awakening. This period arose as a reaction to the excessive pressure and strict control of the Church and its clergy, and it eventually enabled the people of Europe to free themselves from the dominance and authority of the Church through secularism. However, the second phase of secularism emerged during the 17th and 18th centuries. This phase can be described as the era of moderate and peaceful secularism. In this stage, secularists confined religion to the clergy and the boundaries of the Church. Religious practice and worship were considered personal matters, and as long as one practiced them privately, there was no objection. However, religion was not allowed to interfere in public or social affairs. This form of separation between religion and science extended to all aspects of life and academic disciplines. Educators and those responsible for shaping the younger generations had entirely separated their methods of teaching and upbringing from religion. They believed that religious education would imprison the intellect, freeze the mind, degrade human sensitivity and consciousness, and hinder the progress of human movement.